This is my stove. Let's start at the end over here. First off, we got camo helmets for all your camo needs. So like when you have the camo mission, just put it on and you squeeze these around and wear them. They also protect against rain. We have armor. We have grenade armor. This is nice and strong. Nice and strong. We have helmets. Like, you know, kinds that have the feathers in them, but the feathers are sold separately. And then we also sell the tie. We'll sell the ties. We have handheld RPGs. Just fire them. Okay. We have Japanese throwing stars for all you Asian killers. I don't see where that landed. We have forward calling machines. Go! Go! Shotgun shells. We have night vision goggles for all your night vision needs. They actually work. Infrared. The infrared. If you can see the infrared, yeah, you can see the infrared. We use an infrared cheap camera technology, but it works. It works. Turn these off. We have toys. We have everything. Toys. We have these that you could play with and make puzzles out of when you're on those long business flights to Tokyo and places. We have ammo. We have every grenade. We have grenades. We have smoke grenades, flash grenades, everything. We also sell plasma grenades. Yeah, see, it actually works. Yeah, see, it actually works. Oh my God! We have knives. We have knives. We also have RPG rounds, but you have to buy the actual RPG for these to work. I'm Edward Scissorhands.
Shut up!
But if you act now, the gun, if you call the number 666-6662, this will be free. All friends, now. I got you guys so good.
Are you mad?
For miniguns, we have scopes and long shot extensions. We have guns. We have all kinds of guns that actually work. We have all kinds of guns. We have these. These are beauties. But these are the real kind of guns to go with. We also sell cell phone carriers that you just hook up to your purse and they stay there. And let me see if I can get it to work. Yeah, see? It works. Flashbangs. We just have little air propelled guns and a little Uzi thing, but don't work. We have sweatshirts. Clearance. Travel team baseball. Travel. 2008 clearance rules. C for clearance. But this is when you like sneak up behind somebody and they're just like standing here and you come behind them and put these on their neck and they choke. We sell origami things, Morse code. I forgot something. We also sell belts that you like put your ammo in. We can play Russian roulette if you want to.